The liver is your largest internal organ. It has two lobes, one on the right and one on the left, and it hangs out just below your heart and just above your stomach. But can you even remember what it does? Well, the most well-known function of the liver is to clean and filter our blood. Now, this is a vitally important task because as we eat and drink, we can get too much of certain nutrients in our blood. The liver can absorb and store them so that they don't travel to other organs in the body and do harm. The liver can even clean certain poisons out of our blood and can save our life if we accidentally drink something that we shouldn't. But that's not all that the liver can do. What if I told you that the liver simultaneously carries out over 200 vitally important functions for your body? Have you ever thought about where your blood actually comes from? Well, the answer is that the liver creates it for you. It's like a little blood-producing machine. So not only can it clean your blood, it actually creates new blood all the time too. The liver also creates bile, a thick yellowy liquid that our stomach uses to break down fatty things that we eat so that we can get nutrients from them. And the liver also stores energy from carbohydrates that you can find in bread, fruit and milk, for example. It stores these as a type of sugar called glycogen. Now, glycogen is kind of like your body's reserve fuel. If you haven't eaten in a long time and your body needs energy, the liver will convert the glycogen into glucose and send it into your bloodstream to power all your organs and muscles until you can eat again. The liver also can store iron and other vital vitamins and minerals so that they are ready to be used when we need them. Think of it kind of like a little cupboard in your kitchen. All the ingredients your body needs to keep going can be stored there, ready to be used whenever they are needed. And lastly, and most fascinating of all, is the fact that, just like Wolverine, the liver has the ability to completely regenerate. This makes liver transplants possible. If someone has a problem with their liver, you can donate half of yours to them, and the remaining part of your liver regenerates the section that was removed, leaving your liver and your friend's liver as good as new. What an amazing organ the liver really is.